together in the presence of God to witness the marriage of Elena and Kyle, to surround them with our prayers, to share with them in their joy.
I've been searching my whole life for you, never knowing where it lead me to. You brought me to a place I never knew. Every moment still a mystery. Every day I wake up in a dream. For the first time I can finally see that every path has led me straight to I jump back into every memory, doing all again together, you and me. There's nowhere else that I would rather be. 'Cause every path has led me straight
Elena and Kyle, by their promises before God and in the presence of this assembly, have joined themselves to one another as husband and wife. Those whom God has joined together, let no one separate. Amen. Kyle and Elena Johnson, you may begin.
It wasn't until my first birthday came around that basically Kyle drew me a card. And it's something I actually kept with me to this day, and I brought it for us all to look at together. Made it bigger so you could see it. So here you go, Kyle. So there's Kyle and there's me, and and you'll see we're in a prison cell together. Yeah. And you'll see we're shackled together at the ankles. And it says, "You're my friend for life. Happy birthday from Kyle." Yeah. Yeah. So to celebrate, I've taken the liberty of updating the card you gave me, Kyle. Because, I figure if we're going to be in a prison cell for life, we probably need our spouses there with us. So there's my wife Stephanie, and there's Elena now, all chained together. Yeah. Yeah. And it says we're all friends for life. And so congratulations to Kyle and Elena. May your love only grow stronger, and I can't wait to see what the next 22 years brings for all of us. Congrats. Cheers.